Here's a 2015 Ford C-Max Hybrid. There are a number of reasons to get excited about this C-Max Hybrid, namely the miles per gallon. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, smartphone wireless charging, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book reports the 5-passenger cabin is filled with attractive soft-touch surfaces that combine to produce a remarkably upscale feel. Particularly for this class of vehicle, ergonomics are excellent with controls that are user-friendly and easily accessible. Headroom is overly abundant in all seating positions, and rear legroom is suitable for 6-footers. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Take it for a test drive today.
Briarwood Ford has the best deals in the state of Michigan. Briarwood Ford is conveniently located at 7070 East Michigan Avenue in Saline, Michigan.